Now question of the day, our target, how can determine current in 2 ohm resistance? Look here very carefully. First of all, if you see very carefully, you can solve lot of method, but we are interested, you can solve this question with the help of nodal analysis, because of if you apply nodal analysis, so you can get result very quickly. Okay, so according to nodal analysis, one node has a take ductum node, that is, if this one is take ductum node, that is 0 voltage. If this one is 0, so that one is also 0. Clear or not? Why? Because no any source or resistance connected in between these two terminal. It means if this one is 0, so this one is also 0. Clear? Next target, we have considered this node is V1 and this node voltage is V2. And what about branch current? Here I1 and here I2. Our target, apply KCL at node V1. Okay, so now apply KCL at node V1. So all current are outgoing, so you can say that I1 plus I plus I2, this will equal to how much? 0. Clear? Now what about I1? I1 is V1 minus 0, so you can write now V1 minus 0 divided by how much? 1 ohm. Plus what about I? I is written V1 minus 0, this one is 0, divided by how much? 2 ohm. What about I2? I2 is V1 minus V2 divided by how much? 5 ohm. This will equal to 0. So our target, first of all, determine V2. Then put V2 here and then we got V1. Okay. So look, how can determine V2? If you see that portion, means simply if you redraw here plus and here minus, and this one is V2 and this is 0 volt. Clear? What is the meaning of this one? This is 10 volt. Basically, if you redraw, if this one is basically this is 10 volt and this is plus and here minus. V2 means here plus and here minus with respect to ground. So at V2 and this one is basically 0 volt. Now apply KVL in this loop, minus to plus minus V2 plus 10 plus 0, this will equal to 0. So V2 this will equal to how much? 10 volt. Clear? So V2 basically 10 volt. Okay. Now if that V2 put here, then we got how much? If that value V2 basically put here, now that value put here, then we got V1 plus V1 by 2 plus V1 by 5 minus, that is 10 by 5. This will be equal to 0. Okay. Now if V1 is common, then we got how much? 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. This will be equal to 2. So what about V1? V1 basically 2 into 10 divided by how much? 10 plus 5 plus 2, that is 17. So final answer 20 by 17 ampere, volt. Okay, 20 by 17 is the final answer. Volt is the final answer. Make it.